What's up? This is a face of a woman that's been painting. Yep, been painting. Haven't had the chance to do much. I don't know where to look. If I should look on the viewfinder, which is here, or if I should look at myself, whatever. Anywho, so today is Thursday. Happy December. We're not doing vlogmas this year because child, honey child. But hopefully next year we can see what we can do about vlogmas. But yeah, we're literally just painting. We've had the paints for like a week and a half now, I would say. We've done the bathroom, the passage. What you saw was the kitchen. It's looking absolutely amazing. Can I say that? Me and mommy make a good team, I'm not gonna lie. We make a very good team, but damn, I am so tired. So tired. So I've literally just come to introduce the vlog to say hello, hi, I love you all, appreciate all the view time, appreciate all the comments and everything like that. I think this will be the ending of the vlog though, because we have still so much to do and I want to go relax, I want to go eat, I want to go bathe, I want to go look like somebody's child. Because right now I'm looking very what's the word? I don't even know what the word is, but I'm just looking a mess. Like, look at my hands, like a sis gotta go shower. I gotta go shower. So yeah, I'm ending the vlog right here. I'm sorry that it might be really short, or it might be decent length. If it is short, I'm sorry. If it's decent length, well, woohoo, hooray. But I will be back again with another vlog. Yeah, and you know what I say, over here we have a good time all the time. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Please do subscribe, like, comment and share, and I'll see you soon with Julsz. Love you, bye.